Verb is an important part of speech. Without verb, no sentence can be formed. It shows a physical or mental action. Verb always believes in doings and actions. A verb is a word that means to do something. For example, go, eat, sleep, bite, sell, walk, run, see, play, write, give, etc. Example, we play cricket. He writes a letter. He gave me a glass of water. Adverb, words that modify a verb, adjective or other adverb or add something are called adverbs. E.g., very, slowly, well, carefully, etc. The word that usually modifies the verb, adjective or other adverb is known as an adverb. Example, he asked my name gently. She walks slowly. She bought a very long dress. Preposition. Preposition defines the relationship between noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. It works as a connector and specifies the location or a location in time. In Bengali, the word pre means before and the word position means position. Therefore, it is very easy to understand that the words which are placed before the noun or pronoun and establish the relation of that noun or pronoun with other parts of the sentence are called preposition. E.g., in, on, under, with, at, over, of, below, throughout, by, about, until, etc. Example, the book is on the table. Rahim is hiding behind the tree. The girl brought a letter for me from the teacher who taught us English. Looking at the first sentence, we see that if we do not put any preposition before the noun, then the table noun becomes detached from the sentence. As soon as it is placed, it becomes attached to the sentence. In the same way, the rest of the sentences are doing the same behind and from.